So we have successfully worked on automotive BMS of Porsche Taycan, where the BMS AFE is based on NXP's Renault battery cell controller MC33772B, which you can see on which the finger I am pointing out, the black chip in the center. And this is being controlled using the automotive MC of NXP S32K144, which is hidden behind the wires. And whole of this firmware is being written using the TPL communication protocol of NXP, which is proprietary of NXP, using the communication transceiver IC of BMS MC33664. And whole of this firmware, and on the screen one can see the stack voltage and the cell voltages. So as we run the program, on the stack voltage we can see the total cell voltage of the BMS of the battery packs and the cell voltages of the each cell. Checking via the multimeter, apart from the software, we can see the total stack voltage is 23.29 voltage. Okay, and on the software and also we can see the stack voltage 23.14, and each cell voltage we can see as 3.8, 3.87, which sums up to the stack voltage. And whole of this firmware is being written using the AutoSAR MCAL layer, and the BMS transceiver driver IC is provided by the NXP. And this whole software and the hardware setup demonstrates our capabilities at Gettobyte that we originated for building the software capability.